Hello friends, today we are doing this experiment called Against Gravity. For Against Gravity, you need red food color, blue food color and yellow food color, and any big glass, put water in it, and you need 3 empty glasses and of course a tissue roll. Now you have in this experiment you have to put water in these 2 glasses. The middle one is supposed to be empty, and 1 glass you have to put as many drops as you want, and put yellow you put in this glass, blue you put in this glass. Now you put the water in these 2 glasses, and then you squeeze this. Now you take two tissue rolls and you fold it 2 times, and then put one tissue here and one here. The other one is also same. I slept so well. What? There's water inside. And there's also green. What happened? Okay, I got it. So these 2 primary colors, so the tissues are a pipe. These 2 primary colors go in the pipe and make a new primary color called green. The pipe action of the tissue is called the capillary action. Mama, what is capillary action?
Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to go up against the force of gravity. Let me show it to you in a very simple format and in a fast way, so that it's very clear and it's magical also. See, when we put this thin tissue paper in the color, look at that. Very quickly the water starts to rise up and up and up, and that's happening because of the capillary action. The water rises up against the force of gravity, and that's what happened in this experiment. You see, it goes on rising and rising and rising so fast because it's a thin paper. We see capillary action also in our daily lives in the plants. Look at that. How does the water reach from here all the way to the tip of the flower? Because of capillary action as well. Here is tiny tubes in the stems of the flower that suck the water all the way up to the tip and make the flowers and trees and plants and all the vegetation around us get their food. And that's what capillary action is.
Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this experiment for my first video ever. My name is Rian. Hope to see you again.